Hello world, this is Sugar Coder. In this video, I am going to be reviewing this glow-in-the-dark stars and moon stickers, as well as have a giveaway for one set. These glow-in-the-dark stickers truly does glow very brightly, as long as you put the stickers right in front of the light for about 10 to 20 minutes before sticking it onto the wall. This set comes with a realistic full moon, 220 stars, and a empowering sentences card. So once you have these glow-in-the-dark stars and moon on your wall, you can stare at it every night before you go to bed. It is definitely very relaxing. So to enter this glow-in-the-dark stars and moon giveaway, answer this question. If you could be anything in the world, what would you be? Leave a comment and let me know. I definitely look forward to reading them.